Guys, so welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this 922 called sorted array by parity, and this is very easy. Basically, you sort the array so that whenever ai is odd, then I is odd, or whenever ai is even, I is even. So basically, you put the odd number in the odd position, and you put the even numbers in the even positions, and then we are guaranteed that the half of integer are the half of integer are even. Okay, so to solve it, I first calculate the length, and I initialize the answer sequence, the answer called b, and I initialize 2. J is 0, k is 1. So j is basically the odd index. So whenever I see a even number, I let the bj equals x, and j will add 2. J will add 2. So j will keep add 2, keep add 2, keep add 2. And also else, and if I see someone is odd, then I just let k plus k equals to 2. So k just plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So k will run from 1, 3, 5, 7, and the j will run from 0 to 4, 6. Okay, so this is the easy philosophy. Then basically you can solve it. Okay, so it's very straightforward. It's just one pass linear time. Okay, and I will see you guys in so this is for this one, and this is the answer for this one, and I will see you guys in the next videos.